Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Regression equation, actual mean method, assume mean method, both the methods we have seen in the last two classes. Today I am taking one short problem but very important. Don't miss this, and easy also. When you have followed first class, second class, this is quite easy. Anyway, this is something different problem. Let's see how we can work out and how we can understand. Okay, simple 5 minutes, focus it. So here following are the marks in Hindi and English in an annual examination. In an annual examination, marks of Hindi and English are given to us. So Hindi and English, mean, arithmetic mean of Hindi means average of Hindi 40, average in English 50. Standard deviation is also given. So this is here, I will use another marker. X bar this is, okay. X bar is given a standard deviation, rho is also given. Standard deviation of Hindi marks and also English marks standard deviation is 16. Assume it like this is X and Y, X and Y imagine, okay. Now what they are asking, estimate the score of English when score in Hindi is 50. And score in Hindi when score in English is 30. If the score in Hindi is 50, estimate English score, okay. When score in Hindi when score in English is 30, you have to estimate. Did they say anywhere X on Y or Y on X? Did they use the word of regression? No. But if you see the given data, sorry, there is one more item is missing. So that item is, so I am following here quantitative methods, S.V. Gupta and P.K. Gupta, Sultan Chand publications. So here one more item I forgot to write, coefficient of correlation, coefficient of correlation plus 0.32. This value is also given 0.32. So what is given to us total? X bar, standard deviation, coefficient of correlation. But here X and Y. We used to do in regression equation X, Y, dx, dx square, dy, dy square, dx into dy we used to calculate in assume mean. In actual mean, small x square, small y square, then x into y we used to calculate, right. Now the x values are given. Altogether average of x and average of y, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y is given, and also coefficient of correlation. So data, if you see the data and what they are asking, you have to get in thought that this is related to the regression equation. If we find out the regression equation, this we can solve. Estimate the score of English when score in Hindi is 50 and score in Hindi when score in English is 30. This we can solve it, but once if you calculate the regression equation. No one is saying regression, but it is understood. So we will calculate first regression equation. You know the formula also. Solution. First we will calculation of x on y. X on y, what is the formula? X minus x bar is equal to r into rho x by rho y into y minus y bar. Because here everything is given. X minus x bar is here, x bar is 40. This is x bar of x bar is 40, and r is here 0.32. Rho x, standard deviation of x, this is 10, standard deviation of y 16, and y minus y bar, x bar is 40 but y bar is 50. We will do the calculations. X minus 40 is equal to this, shall I use the calculator? 10 into 0.32 divided by 16. It comes to minus 0.2. Rho x is here, standard deviation of x is 10, standard deviation of y is 16, 0.36. Okay, once again I will calculate 0.32 into 10 divided by 16. It comes to 0.2. 0.2y minus minus 50. Let it be like this only. Now x minus 40 is equal to 0.2y minus 0.2 into 50. 10 it is. So this value we can take it on the right side. X is equal to 0.2y minus 10 plus 40. It comes to 0.2y, 0.25, and this comes to 40 minus 10 means plus 30. So this is x on y. In the same way we will find out y on x also. Then after that we will see this. Next second one is, this is first one, calculation of x on y. Now calculation of y on x. Y on x means y minus y bar is equal to r into rho y by rho x into x minus x bar. So this is the formula. As per this, y minus y bar is here 50. R into rho y by r is 0.32 into rho y is here 16 by rho x is here 10 into into x minus x bar is here 40. We will simply apply this. Y minus 50 is equal to 0.32 into 16 divided by 10. It comes to 0.51 into x minus 40. In the next step, y minus 50 is equal to 0.51x minus 0.51 into 40, comes to 20.4. Now what we will do? 50 will take it to the right side. Y is equal to 0.51x minus 20.4 plus 50. This was minus 50. When we take it on the right side, plus 50. Okay. So ultimately the answer is 0.51x 50 minus 20.4 comes to 29.6, but this is plus value, plus 29.6. X on y, y on x, we got it. Now first calculation, estimate the score of English. When score in Hindi is y, estimate the score of English when Hindi means that is x, when x is 50. Calculate the value of y. X value is given as 50. X value is given as 50 means where we can apply, in which formula? Here y is there, but here x is there. No confusion at all. See, excuse me, estimate the score of English when score in Hindi is 50. Score in Hindi means x. When x is 50, find out the value of y. Y value, when we wanted to find out, we can apply x here in this formula only, right? So I will apply this. First one, score of English when score in Hindi is 50. This one will apply Hindi. means that is x value is given. X value means we can take this formula only. Okay, y is equal to 0.51 into x value is how much? 50. 50 plus 29.6. Formula as it is I have written only. In place of x what they have given 50, that I have written. Okay. Now if we see the calculation, 0.51 into 50 comes to 25.5 plus 29.6. If we add 29.6, we will be getting 55.1. Answer is this one. Score of English when score in Hindi is 50. So when score in Hindi is 50, the score of English is 55.1. In the same way, score in Hindi, okay, second one, score in Hindi, when score in English is 60. English means here y. When y is 30, what is the value of x? Okay, when score in English is 30. Simple. Y value when it is 30, what is the value of x? To know the x value, we need to take this formula. X value we wanted to find out. Okay, this we are taking this formula. X is equal to what is this? 0.2 into y. Y is here, when y value is here 30 plus 30 as per the formula. If you do the calculation, 30 into 0.2 comes to 6. 6 plus 30 comes to 36. Okay. So this is second value. No confusion, I will explain it once again. Very simple. If you see the data, mean is given, mean of x, mean of y. Standard deviation also given, second value, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y, coefficient of correlation. So when you see all this data, you have to remember there is it is related to the regression. Okay, regression, x minus x bar is equal to r into rho x by rho y into y minus y bar, regression. Okay, in the same way y on x also. With this information we can find out x on y on x. What they are asking is related to the regression equation formula only. What they are asking, estimate the score of English when score in Hindi is 50. When 50 score in Hindi means when x value is 50, find out the y value. As we have done calculation of x on y and y on x. So when x is 50 na, yeah, when x is 50, find out y value. Find out y value means you have to take y on x only. So to find out the y value, so we have taken this formula, y on x, this formula to find out y when x is 50. Okay, when x is 50. So 0.51 into this value, x is 50. We have done calculation, we are getting 55.1. In the same way, when y is 30, find out the x value. Find out x value means x on y formula you have to take. X on y formula is this one. So when y is 30, this will apply 30. So we have taken x on y formula. X on y formula is equal to 0.2 into y. Y value is given 30 and plus 30 anyway as per the formula it is there. So if you calculate it, we are getting 36. When x value is, when y value is 30, x value will be 36. When x value is 50, y value will be 55.1. That's all. Simple problem, but only the thing is you have to use the logic. Am I clear? With this, regression chapter is finished. Next chapter will go ahead. 3 episodes, only 3 videos I prepared for regression, but it has covered everything. And please take out your textbook, more or less anything is there, you can work out basic 90-95% I have already covered. If anything is you are finding new, you can work out because that kind of knowledge you got it. Practice it more times and stay connected, and always practice well. Don't forget to share these videos. It's for you all. Okay, good luck.